Hey guys, T here. Today we want to work on these stairs. It looks like we've got some rot here in the stringer. I don't want to replace the whole stair and put new stringers in and then do a complete job. I, I want to reinforce this stringer, maybe put a new stair step here, do a little staining, fix it up. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Please subscribe if you will. Let's get to work. So Gorilla Glue foams up and you wait for it to harden and then you chisel it off or scrape it off. So all the glue's off, I'm to put the tread on. So we put 4 or 5 new treads on, braced all those stringers. I think this stairway is going to last a long time. So please subscribe if you will. Yes, I got a haircut. I'll see you guys next time.